All right, so I figured out why this thing wasn't actually centering. So I'm actually gonna cd into this project here and open it in code, I would say, because that will just make it more presentable to you guys. And I just wanted to show you what actually occurred. So I could pretty much just open a terminal in here and do a yarn serve, and while that is serving, we can go to the main components here, and I'm just gonna minimize that so that we have all of the space here. And the issue that we're having is that we couldn't get the tab centered, and it's not that it wasn't being centered, it's just because this right here was an issue. This menu option, wherever it stopped, I don't remember. Here we go. So here, the additional menu for the more. So I think what happened is that the menu has to be to the left. We could verify that on Vuetify. That's something that I probably should have done before I started recording this tutorial, but I didn't. Um, so we won't know. But I'm gonna show you guys that it actually was centered. So we're gonna go to localhost 8080, and this is our component. So this is where we left off. Um, at least we know that there's a bug. It's not initializing to the login. I think I need to fix that. But we have these. We have the profile card. We have the forget password and all that good stuff. Now to get it centered, we would pretty much have to basically just, where is it? Comment the menu out. So the entire menu, and save that. If we go back here, it's not centered now because we don't have the center on here. So if I change it over to centered, or change the prop to centered and save that, now you will notice that it is now centered on the page. So that was pretty much the problem with the thing. I guess it's just because of how Vidify is set out, and you can go ahead and read the documentation to have a better understanding of how this works. But that was pretty much it. If I should uncomment this now, you will notice that it goes over to the right now, because I guess that is just how the thing works. But for the sake of this, I prefer it to the left, so that is why I decided to just keep it as is. So just do the active center, just to reduce the spacing, and keep it to the left. So that is pretty much it. What did I just do? Because I'm not seeing. Oh, I did not uncomment it. Here we go. Save that. All right, and there we go. So this is pretty much why. In the next video, we'll figure out why this isn't syncing the way that it should. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.